With the rapid development of China's economy and industrialization, more and more Chinese companies are setting their sights on overseas markets, seeking a broader development space. The Guangzhou Development District and Huangpu District are new hubs for the emerging display industry within the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area, and have gathered nearly 100 upstream and downstream companies. These efforts are helping the Greater Bay Area build a globally competitive, integrated circuit industry innovation centre. And here we are at CVT, a leading manufacturer located in Huangpu District. CVT is one of China's top 500 manufacturers, with its products reaching over 140 countries and regions, providing stable relationships with over 100 client brands. So let's go inside and uncover the mystery of the visual world.
We are a high-tech company focused on interactive flat panel and AI. So you can see our products in classroom, meeting space, and even living room. I learned that you are a math teacher. I want to show you something magical.
Magical?
Yeah,
that
let's
sounds
go.
Good.
Follow me.
Sure.
And this is our interactive flat panel for education sectors. Let me show you our AI.
So are there many teachers around the world that are using these?
Yeah, of course. We have empowered a lot of teachers worldwide.
I will have to go back to my school and talk to my IT manager. We could definitely use these.
That's nice. Now we have come to our power electronics component parts.
And what is this machine? Is this like an electric car charger or something?
It looks like a car charger though. It is actually our energy storage solution. It has a large demand in areas with unstable power grids and other poor electricity conditions.
Wow, so it works sort of like a phone battery pack?
It is, so you don't have to worry about a sudden power outage. It has been widely used in countries like UAE, Pakistan, Nigeria, South Africa, and also in Europe. We have case studies in the Netherlands and the Belgium.
Wow, what an interesting and useful product. Since there's such a large demand from various industries, your manufacturing base must be pretty big, right?
You're right. Sounds like you would like to visit our manufacturing base.
Yeah, I'd love to. Is it possible?
Of course, let's go.
Sure.
This is our intelligent manufacturing base.
Wow, it's so impressive. It's almost like the robots are dancing.
They are working really hard. We have over 80% automation, and the annual production capacity is 800,000 units.
Wow, really impressive numbers. From what I understand, Guangzhou's development district and Huangpu's district are accelerating the creation of a smart manufacturing hub. And in today's emerging display industry, there's a full industrial chain. So from the upstream raw materials to the midstream display panels to the downstream terminal applications. This is the foundation of Guangzhou's confidence becoming the world's display capital.
You are right. And we are strong in the supply chain and product quality. Besides this, Maxup has invested a lot on the local presence, so we can quickly respond to our customer needs.
From CVT, we can see how the rapid growth of China's homegrown manufacturing brands reflects their strong competitiveness in the international market. Currently, the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area is making solid progress in promoting high-quality industrial development, aiming to build world-class enterprise clusters focused on leading supply chains, overcoming industry champions, and fosterizing specialized, refined, and innovative businesses. With more and more companies expanding into overseas markets, the Greater Bay Area is creating new economic momentum with the help of these leading enterprises.